Local news for Wednesday, the 26th of June. Emergency services responded to a crash on High Street, Carterton yesterday morning at around 10 a.m. where a car had collided with a power pole and cut power to the area for a short time, and the southbound lane of High Street North in Carterton was also shut for a short time. Local government New Zealand is encouraging community-minded people to get up ahead of the game and start thinking about running for local elections now. Chief Executive Malcolm Alexander says standing for council is an incredible opportunity for people to take the next step for their community on the issues that affect them directly, and an excellent way to further develop leadership skills. Candidate nominations open on the 19th of July. Wairarapa MP Alistair Scott has announced that he won't contest the 2020 election. Mr Scott says, "I'm confident that I'm leaving the seat in good shape for the next election, and I'm announcing early because it's very important that we have sufficient time to find our new Wairarapa candidate for the 2020 election." And in sport, Wairarapa United player Nina Kondo has been selected for the New Zealand Women's Tour of China next month. Congratulations. For local news and sport, I'm Brent